What is good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Phil S2K. Damn, bro, I got a 4-day weekend ahead of me. Tomorrow's 4th of July, which is super lit. So I got, what is today? I got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off. Woo! Gonna try to get a haircut today too. Don't really know what else is in store for the weekend besides having the cookouts and all that good stuff. But today we're picking up the new suspension for the BMW. A lot of you guys guessed it in the comments, and yeah, I got BC Racing coils for the BMW, man. I can't wait to be lowered on that car. It's definitely gonna be fun. It's definitely gonna look good. I have a whole idea that I'm gonna go for with the BMW, but I mean, until then, we gotta start getting the S2K prepped and ready to get this turbo, boy. Come on, still out for delivery. I'm waiting. It's always a waiting game when you're waiting for parts. Look at how low the S2K is compared to this truck. Your boy just got a haircut, looking fresh for the 4th of July. About to head over by Jermaine's and see what he's doing. Plus, I want him to see the new suspension I just got. I'm gonna see if we could try to put this car on the lift today and maybe work on it. I don't know yet, gotta see. But I'm excited, man. I'm excited. I didn't even open it up yet. I'm gonna do the unboxing for y'all once I'm done driving. But like I said, your boy just got that fresh cut. It's hot outside too. Oh yeah. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Alright, so we about to open up the box. And this thing looks pretty already. Oh yeah. Feels like Christmas all over again. I know you gotta say your generic YouTube stuff. Dude, it feels like Christmas. Suspension. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See that rose gold? Camber plates up top. These ones are the extreme lows. I'm not gonna go that low, but I would like to have the option if I want to. So that's why I said fuck it and went with these ones. Got the rear shocks, the back locking collar, the back spring to go with the locking collar. Alright guys, so I'm about to head back home because I need to take a shower. The only thing about when you get a haircut, all the hair be on your back and stuff, and then on top of that, it's hot out. So I'm just not feeling it, so I'm about to go home. But Sunday we're gonna work on the BMW to get the suspension going, bro. I can't wait. I cannot wait, bro. I haven't been static in like 5 years, so it's gonna be weird. Well, I ain't even gonna say static, because I feel like when people use the word static, it means that they're like crazy slammed, fender to lip fitment, or like tucking crazy. I'm not gonna be any of that. Just, you know, a little lowered. Nice, you know, nice wheel fitment, nice wheel size, wheels and everything like that. I got a vision. Y'all just gotta stay tuned for that vision, man. If y'all believe in me, then I believe in myself too. I mean, if you guys like how I did my S2K, then I know you guys are gonna like the BMW. I just wish you guys would get more engaged on the BMW content. I don't know what it is, man. Y'all gotta get engaged with me, bro. Alright? Just enjoy me. Phil. Enjoy Phil. Your boy got the fireworks on deck.
Got the big shit right there. Grand finale. You see what it say on the box? Grand finale. You heard?
All I got is this smoke bomb that I use for pictures.
I took some light shit out so we could fuck with it right now.
Master mechanic.
Hold up.
He says he works on firework cars too.
Come on.
What's good, gang? Welcome back. It's the next day. Got Vanessa whipping the BMW right now. We got Jermaine in the front. He needs me to help him capture some footage today. So he's gonna be doing a burnout today, and then he also wants me to catch some like rolling shots of him driving in his BMW. So that's what's on the agenda. I don't know what's gonna happen later on tonight, but we definitely had a good 4th of July. Ooh, you see that Civic? I might have to go and get that back. Every time I see a blue Civic, I swear to you, I always like gotta look and be like, damn, bro, I need another one. Soon, I promise. Soon. So right now he's trying to set up, get everything situated.
I'm trying to get a tire angle.
So if you have fireworks,
This angle don't look that good.
it would have been perfect. Fireworks, have that shit shooting off in the air.
Maybe if I could do the wheel, the rear wheel.
Or bring it back some. Like put it here.
Closer.
Yeah, because I mean, the GoPro has a wide angle on it, so it's still gonna be pretty far. Alright, we just made it out to the spot. Nice little dope scenic area. Vanessa's still in the BMW, don't know what she's doing, but I'll let her do what she's gonna do. But about to get some shots for Maine real quick. I don't know if he's still gonna do the burnout or whatever, but if he is, should be pretty lit.
Yeah, we about to do this, man. New content coming out now.
GoPro started. He said something don't sound right, so he about to do a checkup. Ah, shit. Why the hell Vanessa run away? This fucking guy. Alright, so Jermaine wants to use the color Smoke Grenade just to add a little bit more flavor to it. So that's what we about to do. Alright, we had a nice successful day. No one got in trouble. Now we back at the house. And Jermaine didn't mess up nothing on the car, so he's good money out here. So you guys made it to the end of the video. If you guys like this video, please like it. Comment on it. Tell me what you loved about it. I don't know. Just comment down below. I need my engagements to be up. Alright? And I know that when you guys like, comment, and you know, just overall engage on my videos, it helps me out a lot. Alright? Because the video where I said, what video was that? So I know for a fact, because the video where I said I'm building my car in 10 minutes, all those likes, all those comments and stuff, that helps put my channel in the suggestions. And when it helps put my channel in the suggestions, that means I get more people to come to my channel, more traction for the channel, and that helps me grow as a person. So I'm gonna need you guys to help me grow as a person, alright? As a person. Alright, we need this channel to grow, bro. I'm trying to hit 50. Alright, I'm trying to hit 50 and I need you guys' help. So if you guys want to see me do what Jermaine was doing in the parking lot and probably a little bit better, I'm gonna need you guys to get me to like 500 likes. I think you guys could do that. I'm probably gonna do it anyway just for the hell of it, but you know, you guys liking on this video, commenting on this video, saying Phil do it or whatever will push me and motivate me more to go and do it, because you know when you do stuff like that, you're prone to mess something up. Alright, I don't really want to mess up my S2K, but for you guys, I'll do it for the content. Alright, so if you guys liked anything in this video, just please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Other than that, I'm about to start my next day, which is Saturday today. We're about to start videoing now. I'm gonna catch you guys in a little bit. Peace.